Hello everybody, today video number 7 of this course. Today we'll speak about daylight strategies and analysis. In this video we'll cover the basic concept of daylight. We have already speak about how the sun move before. Today we'll speak about daylight. We need to know there is a relation between daylight and the solar gain. So we need to know how to calculate daylight to know if the balance of daylight good or enough or is too much. Topics of today is understanding daylighting and using Revit to calculate daylight. First point, daylighting. Using daylight in your building is a key strategy for passive design. Letting the sun into your building impacts visual comfort as well as thermal comfort. Understanding how the light from the sun enters your building as well as how to use the light once is in your building are important considerations for successful daylighting design. Difference between sunlight and daylight. Daylight is diffused natural light from the sky. For daylighting design, you do want daylight, but sunlight is direct light from the sun. For daylighting design, you don't want sunlight because it creates unwanted heat and solar gain. Colors of light for good visual comfort. Lights need to have the right color and quality. Light can feel cool. This is quantified by the color temperature and measured in degrees Kelvin. Color temperature, if you look to this shape, you will find color temperature. Blue is low and yellow is higher. And when you make daylight analysis for your project or your building, you can know where is the best place for daylight and where is the worst place. In this project, for example, you will find there is a lot of places that have a lot of daylight because there is a yellow color. The place need two architecture treatments to solve this problem, like using shading or using different window or window with different properties, glass like U value. Now we will begin practical part to know how to make daylight analysis and how to measure daylight temperature. Now we will begin practical part. In first open Revit program and then import or create your model. When you finish, you can create energy model by select your zone and rooms and select location and energy setting and create energy model and in final run energy simulation. When you will finish, you will find the energy model. Now we can begin daylighting analysis. Select here, continue. I prefer date. You can choose anyone. Go. It maybe take time. Go. This is results. Find results here. Daylight percentage at 9 a.m. 41 percentage passing and at 3 p.m. 40 percentage passing. If you want to see color temperature, you'll find this here. You will find results about daylighting and color temperature here. Results and color temperature. The place with yellow color that have high daylight and need two architecture treatments to solve this problem. Place with green light, it's cool, and with blue also. Now we finish daylight analysis. If anyone have any question, please don't feel shy to ask me. I will be happy to hear that. Thanks for your time, and I hope this video helpful for everyone. Thanks.